Hello, love and wonderful blessing. What me want to talk about today is when we decide we want something. And it's like when we want something with the universe, it's like a catalog. You have to put in your order and you have to wait for it to deliver. But while you wait for delivery, you not sit down and just say, wait there. You carry on do what you do until it come. And sometimes, something can get delayed or get lost in a transit. So, anything you no desire that no need, you no put in the order, then not just carry on as if it already they come. Because once no put in the order, it will come. So long as you no sit down and they wait penny. Because, as we know, if you watch a pot of water upon the cooker, it going to take longer to boil. So put in on order, carry on as if it they come. Because universe won't give to no. And as the universe, if I something for them, it have to pan for them the time them, not for your time. Because of them, they put everything together for you. To make sure it right for you. Because they love you so much. Otherwise, they wouldn't have your yap and they hurt. So, don't worry. Because I can't see nothing they come yet. It panic way. And as I know, the longer it take, the better and the sweeter it going to be when you get it. You're going to value it even more. So thank you for joining me. Love and wonderful blessings to you.